first ever piano lesson. There's a keyboard. It's black and white, so I've got some counters, black ones and white ones. I'm going to hide them under my hat. What's coming? It's a black one, so let's put that on a black note. What's coming next? Oh, it's a white one, so let's put that on a white note. You have a go. What's next? A black counter. See if you can find a black key. And one final one, it's a white one. So let's find a white key. So you've got black and white notes. They're in a pattern too. So let's take a look at one of the patterns on the keyboard. There's 3 white notes and 2 black ones. Can you see that pattern anywhere? Can you find it? There's one. Is there another one? Yes, there's 2. Might be one more. Yay, there's 3 of those patterns. Let's have a look at that pattern. 2 black notes. And what's in the middle? It's D for dog. We're going to have 3. Our D for dog and sing the dog song.
Dog is coming out to play. Can you find his note today? He jumps, he is marching on his toes. 2 black notes and there is D in the middle. He will be. He jumps, he is marching on his toes. Dog can hear and listen too. Can he play along with you? He jumps, he is marching on his toes. He jumps, he is marching on his toes.
Close. You got the first one right.
What?
So this one is the dog. This one. D. Want to try again? Yay! Right, Charlie, where is D on the piano? Good. Where's the other one?